Hello and welcome to another devlog video. Today we're going to be covering cooking in SCO. So a lot of games have it where you put in predefined recipes. So that means that when you're cooking, you follow a specific recipe and you can only use certain items in that recipe and you get a very specific result. So what this system hopes to accomplish is a system where the players decide what the best recipes are rather than the game deciding for them. So we have some raw ragu rabbit, some apple, and some barbecue sauce. And notice that they have slots for each ingredient. And this is to prevent, obviously, players from cheating the systems. And obviously, if they had like, 3 ragu rabbit or 6 ragu rabbit and you put them in all the slots, you'd have an item that would be very overpowered. So each slot has a predefined set of ingredients. And they're not all added yet. So I only really have a few test recipes here. But if we run this, and we move this to the side, notice the button breaks because it's not the final image yet, so I'm not keeping it. But notice how well that player is cooking on this screen. This player can also be cooking on their screen. And so this is built into the server so that these items can be public, these inventories can all be public, and multiple players can be cooking multiple different items at once. So this player just finished some cooked ragu rabbit with apple and barbecue sauce, and this player just made some cooked beef with potato and barbecue sauce. And I mean, the buffs are a bit different, but that's pretty much how the system is going to work. Is players will grow specific crops for specific purposes, albeit while these ingredients are used for cooking, they might have other purposes in the world as well. So while you might think, why would I ever grow potatoes if there's better items like apples and whatnot? There will be other purposes for these ingredients as well, and that will give them a purpose. So beyond needing them for cooking, you might need them for packs or something like that that you will be taking across the land, and they'll have other purposes involved as well. But for cooking, they might just not be the best.